Okay, should we do the one and only star of Encanto? Not the one and only star, there's lots of stars of Encanto, but our main character. You know what I mean. Okay. It's not far off. It's not far off. So we have eyes across there. I'm gonna have a little curl come there. Just need to get this sort of structure right on here. We're gonna know where everything kind of goes. And these things don't have to be exact. I don't just say that because I can't do them exact. But your drawing is your drawing. Otherwise, you may as well just look at a picture. Your drawing has to have a little bit of you in there. A little bit of your style. So, I'm hoping this is going to have a bit of my style. Okay, so let's get the outline of this hair roughly right. You don't have to make these noises while you do it, but it's more fun if you do. It's not bad, is it right? Is it okay? Ooh. And then lots of these kind of beautiful wavy curls. I think we're close enough to ink now. We'll get some more detail on the other side. See you there.
So, what else can we say about Mirabel? I mean, she is the main protagonist of the movie, as I alluded to at the start. And it's her who really keeps the family together. And without wanting to supply any spoilers in this, it seems she doesn't have a power. But what could her power be? Let me know in the comments if you have a theory. I've got one, but I don't want to spoil it for you in case you've got a different one. So I'm very swiftly inking this one on here. Going over the eye detail, the face detail. Some of this I do like to go back and just make a couple of changes to. That's the beauty of doing things digitally. And not with pencil and paper, which is always good to start with. But on here you can make unlimited changes. I'm not happy with that mouth. I'm going to be changing that. In fact, one of the best things you can do is put something to the side, start again. So you don't have to delete it completely. You can still keep it there in case you like it better. But I like my second one better, so I'm going to stick with that one. So, onto the inking stage now. I didn't just scribble that out. I was putting a base down for colour because I'm using layers here. If you're colouring by hand, you're going to have to be a lot more careful than me. But I'm sure you can do that. Putting a bit of shading behind there. The back of the hair will be darker as the light source is coming from the top, as it normally does. So I'm not going in any particular order here, I'm just colouring in what I feel like doing at any one time. The glasses here, they're a nice bright green, which is a nice contrast to the darker colours we've used for the hair and eyebrows. And these brown eyes are given a little sort of darker brown halo around the edge, which really, I think, gives them more depth, makes them look a bit more shiny as well, which is cool, I think. On to the lips. Gotta make those nice and shiny. It's going to have a little bit of detail there. So you don't see these details when you look at it when you're not close up to it, but it does make a difference. I think your eye still picks them up. She's coming together here. I am taking some liberties with her outfit here because I haven't drawn her outfit exactly as it is. I'm just going to sort of intimate the outfit with the patterns on it. That it does have a few little butterflies popped in there. I didn't want to make you sit through me drawing intricate drawings with little butterflies all over. So just intimating what would be on there. And I think we're nearly done. A few highlights at the top there. And we are nearly done with Mirabel Valentina Rojas Madrigal. Let me know if my Spanish pronunciation was terrible, please. There she is. I'm going to stick a little bit of a background on, a little bit of an Encanto style pattern on there, and we're done. I really like this one. If you haven't already, check out my other Encanto videos as well. See you next time.